Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button, then you can press it again to open the menu. Now you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. Once you find the settings, tap on it to enter, then scroll down, find the system option, and then tap on it, and then find the option called factory reset, select it, and here we can tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on the confirm. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. So basically we can go back. Oh, we can't skip this screen. It popped up because I didn't unpair the watch from a phone, so it's trying to basically reconnect to the phone. But once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.